Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are talking about the colour red. Now, being kind of minimalist with my colour palette, you'll know from my videos, this rail minus some colour peeking through, and the fact that I'm actually wearing some colour, I have ways to wear red this season. If, like me, you're a little bit scared of colour, but I do feel like it's something I can get on board with. It's also very festive, red, Christmas, and I am actually really excited to try something a bit different. I thought I'd even go for a little bit of a red lip, address the elephant in the room. These nails are absolutely shocking. We are having work done on the house at the moment. Everywhere's a mess. I'm also having a big clear out. Gonna get Skip, throw loads of things that no longer need because I can't get in the garage. And also I'm going to be doing a clear out of some of my clothing on Vinted. So yeah, let's just address that because I do not feel my best self. Same with the hair wash day, but we have workmen in the house, so we're working with what we've got. But like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you ways to wear red this season, and one of the easy ways to add a bit of colour and an injection of life into your wardrobe, if like me you love your neutrals, is to firstly play with accessories, because wearing colour can be a little bit scary sometimes. I've worked myself up to this. So the first tip is to go for a accessory, and I have a stunning handbag to share with you from a brand you guys know I love. Spoken about them before in my handbag videos. It is Oleada and it is their Echo Plus handbag. How beautiful is this red bag? I'm going to be styling it up a few different ways throughout this video. There's different ways that you can wear this handbag, and I am actually obsessed. If you are not a massive fan of bright colours, then like I said, an accessory is a great way to have a pop of colour. It means you don't have to wear the colour near your face as well. And so obsessed with this little bag. I did a little unboxing before so I can show you what you can actually fit inside this handbag for any of you who wanted to know. So I will do that little run through of the unboxing and show you what I can fit in the Oleada Echo Plus handbag. Oleada is made by women for women, and the brand was founded by female professionals for the modern woman. All of their handbags are multifunctional in their designs. They can be worn in multiple ways. This Echo Plus handbag can be worn 3 ways: as a handbag, a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, and you can also use the strap as a belt, which we will come to into the styling part of the video. Oleada are into their sustainability and they use premium soft leathers. You'll also see that the packaging is all recyclable too. Inside I can fit my phone, my makeup essentials, my cards, my AirPods, and my car keys will fit in there too. The Echo Rouge adds something a little bit extra to your daily outfits, and it is also the ultimate statement piece for parties and special occasions. My second tip would be try adding a pop of red in an item of clothing, but keep it with an all black outfit. So here I've gone for this red kit top, which I'm not sure. I think I suit more of a burgundy than a bright red. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but can have a little bit of fun, experiment a little bit, and you're not spending loads of money if you're just purchasing yourself maybe like a t-shirt or a top. And I have paired this with a skirt, which is also from Arket. It's so comfortable, stretchy, with those epic fleece tights that went viral last year from Amazon, and I can confirm they are super warm. And it's really strange because they look like your legs, but they're not. They maybe make your legs look a little bit chunkier, but all for it to be able to wear skirts in winter. Finished off with a black, beautiful coat, another Arket purchase. I'm absolutely obsessed with them. But I love this coat. It's so snuggly. We've got the shearling on the inside. So as you will see in the cutaways, you just have the slight pop of red. And if you were feeling a little bit self-conscious about wearing the colour, you could obviously have your jacket zipped up and just have a little pop of red showing. Now I really like that look and that's giving me all the festive vibes. I will definitely be wearing that to go and see the Christmas light switch on this Thursday. And also the bag just completes the look. The colour of the Oleada Echo Plus bag actually works really well with this. I know they're slightly different colour reds, but I think that's where you can play with it. You can mix tones together. Like I think the red and the burgundy works pretty well together as well, that we will see in my upcoming outfits. But as I said, you can wear this handbag 4 different ways. And with this outfit, I have decided to change the adjustable strap so that it can be worn like a shoulder bag. Just like this, and you can change the length of the strap because there's loads of little holes across the strap, which is also detachable, which we will come to in my second way to wear red. Well, actually, it's my third, isn't it? Because the first was mentioning this beautiful accessory. Again, going with an all black look, I just think that red pops really nice against all black. I am styling up my new fur leather trousers from Abercrombie that I picked up in the Black Friday sales, which I went for the long leg because I'm like 5'9", but maybe my legs aren't as long as I think they are. I should have probably gone for the normal length, so I might order myself another pair because I think they maybe look a little bit too long with the trainers, but they work really well with boots. So again, let me know in the comments below. Got myself some Nike Dunks. I always regret not getting the panda colourway when I got like a neutral orangey colour the other summer. So they've now brought out the vintage style, which have a slightly cream sole. So I think that they pair well with different whites and creams in your wardrobe. And I'm going to be wearing these so much in winter. Easy to wipe down. Love a black trainer. Completed with a long, effortless black coat. Now here, for the pop of red, I've gone back to accessories. So another accessory that you could play with, as well as a bag, is to have a red belt. To have an accent on your trousers. You could even belt your coat in, belt your blazers in. I've just realised I've got something on my top, sorry. And the belt actually comes from the handbag. So like I said, this strap is fully detachable, you'll see in the cutaways, so you can take it off and you can also use it as a belt. Again, a great way just to add a pop of colour to your outfits, especially in the party season as well. Like I said, red or black, or you can have a nice long black overcoat to keep you cosy and have a pop of red as a belt over your coat. That would look really nice. And it just means there's so many different ways that you can wear this bag, and as you'll see without the strap on, you can use it as a clutch, like I said, in the cutaways. And I think that's a really nice pairing together because I like to match the colour of my bags and shoes. I know some people think it's a bit old-fashioned, but I think it makes your outfits look pulled together, effortless. So having the belt that actually perfectly matches the bag, I think that is such a nice touch. The perfect time to let you know that Oleada have 20% off gifting across the site on certain pieces until the 27th of December, but you can actually extend that site-wide using my exclusive code, which is Charlotte20, to grab yourself 20% off. And they're also giving $100 gift cards, which will be exquisitely wrapped like you saw in the presentation of how the box arrived in my little unboxing. But I will leave all details in the description box, so I urge you guys to go and have a little browse of the website because they have so many beautiful handbag styles, also perfect for the modern working woman. They can fit laptops in. They're beautiful wavier bags that you will have seen me style before on this channel. I will leave my handbag playlist link below. And if I didn't mention, the name Oleada is actually derived from the Spanish word for ocean waves, and they weave sort of wave patterns into all of their handbag designs, which is like free flowing, very apt, I'll say apt, very apt for the brand that they are and the beautiful designs that they deliver. I feel like I'm going a million miles an hour today. It's probably because I'm conscious that we have a workman in the house. But moving on to my next way to wear red, I'm moving away from the bright reds to the burgundies. Your girl is feeling the burgundies. I feel it's a little bit of a warmer colour. I think the bright red against my face, personally, washes me out a little bit more. Same with lipsticks. I always suit more like a burgundy. On my lips, I have Walk of No Shame by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is actually a recent cardigan from Next. Mohair, slight little bit itchy. So in this look, I'm actually wearing it over my shoulder. So again, if you're not wanting to wear a full-on colour in your top, you could get a jumper and tie it over your shoulders. Although someone commented the other day that this is you trying too hard to look cool, but I still like the vibe. And I thought I would style this look with no jacket, so this would be a nice one to wear if you're going around to somebody's house for some festive drinks or just to catch up. You want a comfy loose pair of jeans. I've gone for an indigo pair, again from Arquette, because I just love their pieces. And I think this t-shirt is actually from there as well, with a white t-shirt. And I've thrown this cardigan over the shoulders and I've paired them with some stunning ballet flats, which are giving major the row vibe. I saw a picture of these. They're on Net-a-Porter and they sold out and they look exactly the same. These are from Next. They're real leather. They're really comfortable. They actually have a proper rubber sole underneath because some ballet flats just have that sort of wood sort of sole that gets ruined, and oh, absolutely obsessed. They look so nice. I love them with the indigo and they work really well obviously with this cardigan. as me being matchy-matchy with my colours. Another colour combination with red I think looks really nice as well as black is a little bit of white and cream, and I actually really love wearing lighter colours during the winter months. So this next look I've gone for a new pair of jeans that I picked up in the Zara sale. Nice loose baggy, the kind of fit I'm loving these days, with a lily silk sort of ribbed jumper. And of course we have the burgundy again with this because we are styling the darker colours. So over this, with those burgundy belly flats, I also opted for a burgundy trench. Again, this kind of made me feel a little bit more confident wearing more colours because it's a slightly darker, more muted shade of red. It's like a burgundy brown, and absolutely love this. This is a faux leather trench from Next, and I love it paired with the white. Just brightens it up and sort of makes this a statement piece, whereas when you wear it with black, the colours kind of sort of mesh together. So I absolutely adore these pieces together. I have thrown over a scarf because of course it's winter. I would also probably wear a hat with that as well, but like I said, we are on major need of a hair wash day at the moment. It's an unexpected colour combination I'm loving together of the burgundy and the red. So watch this space with me wearing more colour. And like I said, I just think if you are like myself, a little bit scared of colour, feel a little bit self-conscious of going out wearing colour, the handbag or an accessory like a belt or a hat is definitely the easiest way to ease yourself in this trend. But it's also red is classic, like a red classic lip. It's not going anywhere, so it's not sort of, I know it's a quote unquote trend at the moment, but it's not something you would invest in that would ever go out of fashion. And for me, I will be reaching for this to spruce up my outfits, and I'm excited to style it more with evening looks, but I thought I would do more daytime looks here because that's basically what I wear 90% of the time, so why not share that with you? So speaking of an evening look, the next way that I have added a pop of red to an outfit is with underwear. So if you have a red bra, you could have it sort of a couple of buttons undone on a shirt peeking out, or you could have a little bit peeking out of a blazer. For this look, I've decided to opt with pairing it with a cardigan, and this is another colour that I think works really well with red, which is grey. So I have a grey cardigan, and I've just chosen to not button up the top button, so you can see a little bit flash of the lace that I have. This is a old bra. I can't remember where it's from. I think it might be Wacol. And I just think that's really nice, especially for a date night. This is probably something I would wear for the type of dates that we go on, which also tend to be with my 2-year-old son in the afternoon, going for maybe a glass of wine. So it's maybe a little bit more casual with a pair of grey jeans, which are from River Island. And I've just popped on some trainers, but you could easily jazz this up with a pair of heels to make it more evening appropriate. And then I have gone for the bag as in a crossbody, but if I was wearing it in the evening, I would use the bag as a clutch. And again, it just brings the colour red in, and it actually really matches the colour of that bra really well. It's more of like a bright pillar box cherry classic red. So surprisingly, I'm actually excited for styling pops of red throughout winter. You can probably tell by my face. Another item recently added to my wardrobe with red on is the Ugg Taz, a shoe that I never thought I myself would wear, but I'm in my comfy girl area. You might have seen me style these over on my Instagram at Charlotte Buttrick. Like I mentioned, because we've had work done on the house, I've been a little bit slow on the content creation side of things, but in January I'm going to come back with 30 days of winter outfits, and these will probably get styled up a few times in that, so keep an eye out for that over on my Instagram at Charlotte Buttrick, but I can upload them to YouTube Shorts as well if you would like that. Don't forget there is 20% off selected gifting on the Oleada website until the 27th of December, but you can extend that and use my code Charlotte20 site-wide, 20% off everything on the website, which is such an amazing discount. I adore the quality and craftsmanship of these handbags and the designs. They are just so beautiful. They are timeless. They are really functional as well. I love how all the handbags have multiple ways to wear. Like I said, I will leave my handbag video linked down below because I have featured Oleada before. You also get that $100, I think it's $100 or £100, but it'll all be in the description box, gift card as well with your purchases that you make. So if you're thinking of getting any of the handbags, I would love to know in the comments below, or you want to ask me any questions about any of them, reach out to me on Instagram and I'll get back to you. And yeah, I'm just obsessed with this pop of red. Everything will be linked down below. And thank you for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.